Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am here to give another patient testimonial. It's actually a new patient who just happened to be a Looney Tunes
fan.
He must be a Looney Tunes fan because people think us carnivores are crazy. They think we're
They
crazy,
do.
right?
They really do, absolutely.
But what we'll find is that it's actually something that heals and really improves everything. And you never know what those things are. And sometimes it catches you off guard. For me, it was my belly, my mental clarity, my energy level. But for my new patient, Kenneth, what has it been for you?
It's been everything. I've lost quite a bit of weight. My mental state is a lot better. My arthritis is a lot better. I don't have any pain in my shoulder, my spine, my knee. Just a lot more energy, and I'm finding myself willing to try new things. And I'm able to walk a lot further than I've ever done before, and exercise a lot as well. And I'm working on trying to reverse my sleep apnea. I'm getting very close, so I got a follow-up appointment soon. But I had to come see Dr. Hampton first to make sure my labs were okay.
That's right, and we're gonna take care of those labs today. And when you were working with other doctors, one of the things you mentioned during our conversation is you were kind of borderline for diabetes, and yet what was the response when you?
I never heard anything about it. I looked, when I found Dr. Hampton, I started digging through my past medical history, and I looked in 2016, my A1C was 6.4, and that doctor never said anything to me about being pre-diabetic. I found another doctor 3 years later, never said anything about me being pre-diabetic as well. My most recent doctor before Dr. Hampton last year, she did finally acknowledge that I was pre-diabetic, but at that time my A1C had reversed to 5.9.
That's right. And the thing is, guys, about 70–80% of the people who are pre-diabetic will become diabetic, right? So it's kind of a big deal. So for my clinicians out there, if somebody's borderline, it's time to address that. And one of the best ways to address it is to eat like carnivores, eat a lot of protein and fat, because those things don't raise your sugar. And when you were telling people you're going to eat more red meat, what did they say?
Oh, they looked at me like I was a Looney Tune.
So,
they really did,
whether they think you're a Looney Tune or not, I think that you're not, clearly, because I think the Looney Tune are the people that think protein and fat is going to raise their blood sugar. One more thing, let's talk about this weight loss. You came to me and you said you had success with this carnivore diet. So what kind of weight loss did you have? So
previously in 2020, I had got down to my lowest weight, which was 212 pounds. But I got off the trail and I finally got back on. So I started again this year on January 2nd. I started at 261 pounds. This morning when I got on the scale, I was 201 pounds. So 60 pounds since January 2nd, and I'm continuing this journey.
Yeah, this is really inspiring for me. Because I'm a Looney Tune, I'm loving when I get people that come in here who are carnivores because they think we're nuts. But what's nuts is to see these results and to not accept that they are exactly what you need to do. So all the Looney Tunes out there who follow me, in the comments, tell people your story so they can join this Looney Tune group with us, which is the Looney Tune.
Join us. It's healthier over here.
That's right. It's much
so
healthier, right?
Over here.
So I thank you guys for coming to this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Tony.